Hello everyone, my name is Oinam Singh, Assistant Professor, Computer Science Department, USTM. Today I'm going to take a topic on the binary tree traversal. So before starting what is binary tree traversal, let's have a definition of what is traversal. So in the context of data structure, traversal refers to the process of systematically visiting or assessing each element or node within a structure like tree, graph, or list, often to perform the action on each element that is called the traversal. So we are not going to discuss today about the graph or list, but we are going to discuss on tree. There is only binary tree traversal. In binary tree traversal, there are three types of traversal. First is in order. So in order traversal is a method of visiting all nodes in a binary tree following the order left subtree, root, and then right subtree. Again, in the pre-order traversal, it is a method of visiting all the nodes of the binary tree following the order root, then left tree, then right tree. Yes. So the last one is the post-order traversal. It is the method of visiting all the nodes in the binary tree following the order left subtree, right subtree, and then root. Here we can see in the in-order traversal, root is in the middle. And in the pre-order traversal, root come first. And in the post-order traversal, root at the last. So we can remember in the method like in order will be in root will be in the middle, and pre-order root will be at the first, and then in the post-order traversal root and the last. Then after that, like left and then right subtree, left subtree, right subtree, left subtree, and then right subtree. Okay, let's consider this one, this binary tree. In this binary tree, we are going to find out what is the in order of this binary tree, and then what is the pre-order of this binary tree, and what is the post-order of this binary tree. So in the in order, in previous slide, I have discussed that it first will be left subtree, then root, and then right subtree. Then in the pre-order, root, then left subtree, right subtree, and in post-order, left, then right, then root. We have to follow this method, this traversal method, and we have to write the in order of this graph. So first, we are going to write the in order of this graph. So here, 30 is the root node here. We're considering 30 as the root node, then the left side, these are the left side of this root node 30, and these are the right side of the root node 30. These are the left side and these are the right side. So in the in order traversal, the method that we are going to follow that left and then root and then right. So for this node 30, we are going to move fast to the left node. Okay, we are moving to this first subtree here, left subtree. Considering 20 as a root node again, considering 20 as a root node, it has left child and then right child again. So in this subtree again, we are going to follow the same method, left, root, and right. So left is this side. First, we will go with the left. Then we are checking for this again, there is another subtree here. For this subtree again, 15 becomes the root node. Then 5 as the left tree, and then 18 is the right node, and 5 is the left node, means left child and then right child. So we have to move fast to the left. We move here fast to the not here 5, but from here there is no more child, means this is the leaf node here. So when it is the leaf node, then there is no more child, then we have to start writing traversal from here. First we go with the left, that is 5. So in order we are going to write first 5. So 5 is completed here. Then next is root. So for this 5, the root is 15. So we backtrack to here, root is 15 here. So we are going to write 15 here. Then left, root, these two are completed. Next is right. For this node, right is 18. So we are going to write here 18. 18. So this part is completed here. This part is completed. Then it will backtrack to the node 20. We will backtrack here. This becomes the root node. So we have to again follow left side is completed here fully. Then it will move to the root. Root will be here 20. After 18, so it will be 20. Then root is completed. Then you have to move to the right. Right side is here 25. So this subtree also completed now. This subtree also completed. So after this, you have to backtrack from here to the node 30 again. Okay, this is the root node. The left part is completed. So left part is completed. Then you will write the root. Root is here 30. So we are going to write here 30. Then after this, left part is fully completed. Root completed here. Then we are going to move to the right side again. So right side of the subtree is this part. So in this part, 40 is the node here. 40 is the root node for this subtree. And then we are going to again follow the same formula, left, root, and right. So we have to go with the left 30 here, but 30 is the leaf node, and 35 is the leaf node here. So we can write directly 35. So after 35, left is completed here. You have to move to the root node. Root node is here 40. Root node is 40 here. So from the root node, you have to go again to the right. Right. For this again, here is another subtree here. Another subtree here, where 50 is the root node here. So for this again, you have to follow the same formula, left, root, and right. So for the 50 node, left is 45, and 45 is the leaf node. Leaf node means when there is no child, that is called leaf node. So 45 here, we have to write 45. So after 45, left is completed. You have to go to the root node. Root node here is 50. Root node is 50. Then you have to go again to the right. Right is here 60. And 60 is the leaf node again. So directly you can write 60. So this is the in-order traversal of this graph. Again, we are going to find out the pre-order traversal. So in the pre-order traversal, root, left, and right. So first we are going to write the root. So root, let me clean this one. So for this, we have to go with root, left and right. Root is here 30, left is this one, and right is this side. So first we are going to write with the root node. So 30 is the root node, so directly we can write with 30. So after 30, we have to move to the left. We are moving to the left here, left sub-tree. For this left sub-tree, 20 is the root node again. So 20 is the root node. Then we have to follow the same method, root, left and right. First, we have to write the root. So it will be 20. Then left, root is completed. Then we have to go to the left again. But here again, another sub-tree is here. So 15 is the root node here. We can directly write here 15. Then root, left, right. This is the 15 is the root node. Then we have to move again to the 5. This is the left child, and it is also the left node here because there is no more child after 5. So root is completed. 15 we have written. Left is 5. We have to write 5. Then from here, root, left, and right. Root is 15, left 5, right is 18. We are going to write here 18. Root, left, right, we have completed here. Then we have to backtrack again to the root node. From here, this part is fully completed here. This part is fully completed. So from here, you have to again backtrack to the root node here. Root 20. For the root 20, left side is completed. Left side is completed here, completed in traversing here. So from the 20, you have go to the root, we have completed. Left part we have completed. Then we have to move to the right. Right side is 25. Then 25. Here, 25 is the left node again. Then from here, you will backtrack again to the 20. From 20, this part is completed fully. So you will backtrack again to the root node 30. From 20, you backtrack to the 30. From 30, here, left part is fully completed here. Now, traversal of the left part is fully completed. We have to move again to the right side. For the right side, root we have completed, left side we have completed, then right we have to go again. Right here, for this sub-tree, 40 is the root node here. 40 is the root node. So we have to follow this same formula again, root, left, and then right. Right with 40. Right with 40. Root is completed. Then you have to move to the left side. Left is 35 here. And it is the left node, so we don't need we don't need to go for further traversal because after left node there is no child, so directly we can write 35 here. Thirty-five we have completed. Root we have completed. Left we have completed. Then right side. Right side is here. This here again we found one another sub-tree here, where 50 is the root node. So 50 from 50, what we are going to do? First we have to write root. Root is here 50. Then left side is 45. Root, we have completed left 45. We have to write here 45. Then from 45, you have to backtrack to the root node again. Then you have to check it again to the right side. Root completed, left completed. Then right, you have to go here. It is 60. This is the pre-order traversal of this graph. This one is the in-order traversal of this graph. So the last one is the post-order traversal. Mirror of this again. So in the post order, we have to follow right left subtree, right, and then root node for the post order. Root will come at the last here. So for the root node here 30, left, you have to move to the left child. Here for the left child, you have another subtree here. For the right also, you have another subtree here. So from the 30, first, we have to move to the left. Find out the left is 20. This is again the subtree. So you have to move again to the left. You have to move again to the left. Then in the node 15, you have another subtree here. Another subtree is here. So for this subtree, 15 is the root node again. Then left, we have to move first to the left side. Move to the 5. When we move to the 5, there is no more child. So this is the left node. So you have to start writing from 5 in the post order. Okay. Left, we have completed for this tree. Then we have to write the right. So for this node 15, left is the 5, right is the 18. But 18 is the left node, so we can write directly 18 here. After writing, you have to backtrack to the root node. But left we have completed, right we have completed. Now we have to write the root node. For this subtree, 15 is the root node. So we have to write 15 here. So this part is completed now fully. Okay, this part is fully completed. 15 we have traversed, 18 we have traversed, 15 we have traversed here. So from here, we have to backtrack to the node 20. So for this node 20, left part, left side is fully completed, fully traversed here. So you have to move from the left, then to the right. So right is 25 here. You have to write 25 here. From 25, you have to again backtrack to the root node. So left part fully completed. Right, this is completed here. Then next is root. Root 20. You have to write here 20 again. So after this, this part is fully completed. This left subtree is fully completed. So after completing this left subtree for this node 30, left side is fully completed. Then we have to move to the right side. Right side for this root node is 40. But here again, we have to follow left, right, and root. For the node 40, for this sub tree, 40 is the root node. Here, left is 35. Left child is 35, and 35 is the leaf node. So directly you can write 35 here. From 35, you have to backtrack to the root node again. What we have to follow? Left, and then right, and then root. So from here, 35, you have to write the right side first. Here you find another tree here. Another subtree is here, where 50 is the root node. So for this again, for this subtree, you have to follow the same formula, left, right, and then root. So for this 50, left is the 45. And again, 45, there is no more subtree. 45 is the leaf node. So directly you can write 45. So left part is completed for this tree. For this, then right part is, right is 60. So you have to write here 60. From 60, you have to backtrack to the root node. You have to again backtrack to the root node. Left part is completed. Right, we have completed here. Left also completed, right also completed. Then we have to write the root node here. For this subtree, root node is 50. Next is 50. For this, from 50, you have to again backtrack to the node 40. So for this node 40, left part is 35. This is already traversed, completed here. Right side, all the nodes are completed. We have traversed all the node. So left part completed, right part completed, then remaining is root. You have to write here 40. So from 40, you have to again backtrack to the root node 30. For the node 30, left part, we have fully completed. Right part, we have fully completed here. And then we have to backtrack to the 30. So right completed, left part completed, right part completed, then remaining is root 30. So we have to write finally 30. So in order, it is difficult to find out where is the root node. But in the case of pre-order and post-order, 30 is the root node for the whole graph, for this full graph here. Then in the case of post-order, 30 is the root node. Means we are following here root, left, right. Root, first it is 30. In the case of post-order, left, right, and root. Root will be here at the last one. Root node, main root node will be at the end part. So we can again check whether this in order and pre-order traversal is right or wrong by constructing a graph using in order, and pre-order, or in order and post-order. You can again construct the graph and then you can find out whether it is correct or whether it is wrong. That topic we can take off in the another session again. But for this here, we can wind up here and hope everyone understood. Can have a look once more. We have to always remember this one. In the case of in order, root will be always in the middle. In pre-order, root will be at the beginning. And post-order, root will be at the last. So construction of again binary tree using in order and pre-order, in order and post-order, and then pre-order and post-order. This is again another topic. So I'll take in some another session. For today, I'll wind up here. Thank you, everyone.